Boys and girls, it is Wednesday, and that means that it is time for our 100 chart mystery picture. Today, you are going to need a blank 100 chart, and there should have been some in your bag that you picked up from my house on Monday. And these are the colors you are going to need. You are going to need red, blue, green, and black. And I could not find a black crayon in my granddaughter's crayon box, so I'm using a marker. Hopefully you can find the colors that you need. All right, we are going to start with red. And our first red is going to be a doubles fact. It is going to be 7 plus 7. Yes, 7 plus 7 is 14. And if 7 plus 7 is 14, what is 7 plus 6? Well, we know that 6 is 1 less than 7. So 7 plus 6 would be 1 less than 14. Do you agree? Yes, it would be 13. 7 plus 7 is 14. 7 plus 6 is 13. Okay, I'm going to give you another doubles fact. Are you ready? 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. Good job. And 1 less than 24 is 23. All right, our next doubles fact is going to be 8 plus 8. Yes, 8 plus 8 is 16. And remember that our pictures always look best if we color the whole box and we stay in the lines the best we can. That also strengthens the part of our brain that we use for math. Okay, what do you think 13 plus 13 is? Well, let's see. 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 1 is 2, so that would give us 26. Good job. And 26 plus 1 more? 27. And remember that if I'm going too fast, you can always pause me and slow me down. Take your time to catch up. When we get back to school, you're probably going to say, Mrs. Bennett, can we pause you? All right, well, we just colored 27. Can you tell me what 10 less than 27 would be? Yes, if it is 10 less, we're going to jump up a row. And that would give us 17. Very good. All right, and we are done with our red. Do you think you know what our picture is? You want to take a guess? Okay. The next color we're going to use is green. We aren't using very many colors today. I'll bet you'll guess really quickly what our picture is. Okay, the first color that we are going to do, green, is another doubles fact, and it is 2 plus 2. That's an easy one. 2 plus 2 is 4. And our next one is also going to be a doubles fact, and it is 3 plus 3. Well done. 3 plus 3 is 6. Okay, we're going to move down to the bottom of our page. And the first square I want you to color down here is a money fact. So second graders, listen up. Can you tell me how much 3/4 is? 3/4. 25, 50, 75 is correct. 3/4 is 75 cents. And could you color one less than 75? Good, 74. And how about one more than 75? 76 is correct. Okay. How about 10 more than 76? Yes, that would be 86. And one less than 86? 85. And one less than 85, 84. Okay, the next few scores that we are going to do, I need you to listen carefully because we're going to be cutting some of them in half. All right, so let's go over to the number 68. That's going to be 6 10s and 8 1s. And we want to cut that in half just like that. And we want to just color the bottom half. And we're going to go right next door to 69 and we're going to cut it in half this way. And again, we're going to color the bottom half. So we've kind of made a green triangle there. All right, now we're going to go 10 more than 69, which is, hop down a row, 79, and we're going to cut it in half this way. And we're going to color the top half. Again, if I'm going too fast, you can pause this and catch up. All right, now I would like you to find 88. 8 10s, 8 1s, 8 8. Do you see it right there? We're also going to cut it in half and color the top half. Okay, and right below it is 98. And we're going to cut it in half, but going this way. And color the bottom half. Okay, and I'm going to just let you look at that for a minute. Pause it if you need to. Make sure that you have those squares go in the right direction. Okay, we're going to go up to the number 78. 7 10s, 8 1s, and we're going to color in the whole square on that one. Okay. And what would 1 less than 71 be? You're right, we're going to jump backwards, and it's 77. Okay, and how about 10 more than 77? Yes, that would be 87. All right, and 10 more than 87? 97 is correct. Do you think you know what this is starting to make? It's not very tricky this time, is it? All right, 1 less than 97 is 96, and we want to cut 96 in half, like that, and color the bottom. Okay, let's move on over on our paper to the number 94. 9 tens, 4 ones, and we're going to cut it in half this way. This is kind of a fun one, but it is not very tricky. All right, 1 less than 94 is 93, and we're going to color the whole square of 93. And 1 less than 93 is 92. And we're going to cut it in half. And just color the bottom. Okay, I'm going to pause there for just a minute, let you look at that. Make sure you have those going the right way. Let's go back to 93. We just colored that one. And let's subtract 10. 10 less than 93, boop, 83. And 10 less than 83, you got it, 73. All right, let's go 1 less than 73. We're going to go over to 72 right here, and we're going to color in the whole square. Okay, let's go 10 less than 72, which is 62. We're going to cut it in half this way, and we're going to color just the bottom. And then 1 less than 62, 61. We'll cut it in half that way and color just the bottom. Okay. 10 less than 6, oh, I'm sorry. Oh, I made a mistake. 10 more than 61. Let's go down to 71. And we are going to cut it in half this way. And we're going to color just the top. And let's go down to 82. 8 tens, 2 ones, cut it in half, and yep, we're going to color the top. All right, and I think we're done with all the cookie ones for a minute. All right, let's go up to 63. 6 tens, 3 ones, and we're going to draw a line that goes from 63 all the way over to 67, and we're going to color all of those. All right. 63 all the way over to 67. And we're going to go a little bit quicker because this is on video. We're not sitting in the classroom. And if you need to pause it, you can. So go ahead and color that whole row in. You can pause it if you need to. Let's go back to 67, and we're going to subtract 10. Take away 10, which means we're going to jump up a row to 57. Don't color it yet. We're going to cut it in half. And we're just going to color the bottom. And then we're going to move over to 53. And we're going to cut it in half. And we're going to just color the bottom. Now, can you see those three numbers that are between 53 and 57? 54, 55, 56. Let's color all three of those green. Do you think you can tell what this is? It's shaping up pretty good. All right. We're going to go back to our 57 right here, and we're going to subtract 10, which means we're going to jump up a row to 47, and we're going to color in that whole box, 47. And then we're going to go over 47. We're going to take away 4. Can you do that with me? 1, 2, 3, 4. Where did we land? On 43. And we're going to color that whole box. Now, can you see all those spaces between 43 and 47? Will you color that row green right there? 45, 44, 45, and 46. Let's color all of 3 of those green. Okay, we are going to go to 47 minus 10 plus 1. Did you land on 38? That's where we should be. 3 10s, 8 1s, 38. Can you color that whole box in? 38. And then we are going to go 10 less than 38, which is 28. And 10 less than 28, which is 18. But this time we're going to cut it in half and color just the bottom. Okay, I'm going to give you a doubles fact for this one. 6 plus 6. Yes, it is 12, and 12 is going to be cut in half. And we're going to just color the bottom. And if you have 12 plus 10 more, you're going to jump down a row to 22. And that's going to be the whole box. And 22 plus 10 more, 32. You got it. Okay. The next doubles fact that I would like to give you is 24 plus 24. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 2 plus 2 is 4. We are going to go to 48, but we're going to cut it in half. And we're going to just color the top. And then let's do 21 plus 21. I'll bet you can figure out what that one is. 42. We're going to cut it in half and just color the top. All right. Well, can you see those numbers between 32 and 38? This whole row, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37. Would you color that whole row green? All right. Here's a money question. First graders, you should know this too. How much is 1/4 worth? 1/4. It's 25 cents. And if I had 25 cents and I gave you a dime, how much would I have left? 10 less than 25? 15. Well done. And we are done with our green. Can you tell what our mystery picture is? Let's grab our black. We are going to put a little black circle right here. And we're going to put a little black circle right here for our froggy's eyeballs. And we're going to give him a smile. All right. Now, did I hear somebody say we still have blue left? What do you think we should do with our blue? Yep, we're going to color the whole background blue because our frog is in a pond. Now, our frog has big red eyes. And there is a frog that is called the poison dart frog. The poison dart frog, and yes, he is poisonous. He shoots poison out at his predators. Actually, I think it's his skin that is poisonous. Anyway, he has big red eyes, just like the frog in our picture. And if you did not know about him, I think that we are going to learn more about him this week as we study and learn more about frogs. I hope that you've been able to watch the videos about frogs. And tomorrow we will actually get to do our nonfiction reader about frogs, which means it's going to be filled with lots of facts all about frogs. And there's our frog. And again, if you need to pause this video so that you can finish your frog up, that would be great. I love your frogs. We will see you later. Bye.